Are you curious about where I come from? Then follow me. I will show you.
Friedrich Schleich started up a small company in Stuttgart, Germany in 1935. The firm achieved the hoped-for breakthrough with Jopo, a flexible doll with long legs, and a series of miniature plastic animals. Across the world, Schleich became famous for the production of the popular Blue Smurfs. Schwäbisch Gmünd has been the company's headquarters since 1960. The company itself regularly develops concepts for new figurines and playsets. After extensive market research, a designer creates a wax model with attention to every single detail that will ultimately become the final product. Increasingly, however, figures are also modeled on computers. In both cases, depending on the complexity of the figurine, this process can take between 2 and 8 weeks. This wax model is necessary for the creation of the casting mold, and following this, the injection mold is developed in a sophisticated process. Typically, the molds are refined by hand. Each figurine has its own base color. The plastic granules are heated until they melt and form a liquid, which is then sprayed through a nozzle into the injection mold. After the removal and examination of each figurine, the blanks need to be left for roughly half an hour, depending on their size, to fully harden. Every single figurine is painted with an airbrush, different brushes, or sponges. Large winged patterns are plotted on the figurine in an inkjet printing process. It is not until then that the figurines receive the famous Schleich flag with the red S and are ready to inhabit kids' playrooms all over the world. And this is what it looks like in retail stores. It is especially important that customers find their way around well and spot their favorite figurines right away. Giant animal models and striking placements ensure that the Schleich area is easily recognizable from afar. All Schleich figurines are characterized by their attention to detail and realistic design, so children can learn what their favorite animals really look like in detail, become acquainted with the animal characteristics, and are able to place them in their natural environment. What is more, all Schleich individual figurines belong to a larger play world. This way, children can delve even further into their favorite fantasy worlds, whether it's farm animals, wild animals, horses, dinosaurs, flying unicorns, or dangerous creatures. Adventure and action are unlimited within the 6 Schleich play worlds.
Folks, don't forget, you can find me in the savannah and at schleich-s.com.